Welcome, guys. Okay, the first thing that you need is a carton. You need a carton. Yeah. Then you cut it open with a blade. As you can see, I am using a blade to cut it open. You can get this blade from the market. Then you measure it. Okay, from my measurement, I used 50 cm. 50 cm. Then I cut it the way you are seeing it now. I cut it. So after cutting it, you have to cut it again from the middle, like as if you are cutting a chamfer or something, this way that you are seeing it now. Hope you saw what I did. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment box. On the comment box, ask me on the comment. So I make sure that I cut all of them. It's actually 4 in number, so when after cutting it should be 8. Then I merged it. This is the reason why I cut it the second time. I merged it so that it will look like something like a triangle, but it has a base, a bigger base. It has a base that is kind of big, so I use slate tape to mesh everything, gum everything together, so that I can easily add my hot gun. Yeah, so that was it. I'm trying to smooth it out so that it will be very well, to very good. So after everything, I hurriedly meshed everything together. Then that is the base that I'm holding now. There was no light, so I fast forwarded. Say, let me know, wait for NEPA before I will not do this video. So this is the hot gun. You can use your lighter to light up your candle. If you don't have the hot gun, light up your candle, then use the candle to melt the hot gun and apply it to where you need to apply it. Yeah, I'm using it to hold the base. After using it to hold the side, I did not show that side bar, but this is the outcome of what I did. This is the outcome. So you can see it looks so cool. This is the side view of it. So I hurriedly got my foil. Yeah, that is the aluminum foil. I measured it and it looks pretty well, really pretty well. So I have to measure the inside to make sure that what I'm cutting is actually what the size you get. So I make sure that I measured inside to cut the size that I need. So I placed it there. I placed it inside after cutting it. About to gum it. For gumming it inside, but you need a spark glue. And that is the spark glue. I actually bought this spark glue around 1,000 naira, or you can say something like $1. Yeah, $1 as per the time that I got it, not now. So I used it to gum it. You can see how smooth it is. Like, try as much as possible to smooth it out when you are gumming it, because once you have done it, you know how spark glue behaves. Spark glue will be your mate. So I did same thing for all the side. I was trying to make sure that the spark glue really touched everywhere, so that this thing will be smooth. I was trying to make sure that it's very smooth. Yeah, guys, if today is your first time you are seeing me on this channel, on this YouTube, I urge you, please subscribe. I really need your subscription. It does not really remove anything from you, but it adds something for me. You get? I hope you understand what I mean. But please subscribe. So this is the outcome of everything after putting the foil and poking the hole. This is my bulb, and I tell you, it's very nice. So So I made a base too for it, and as you can see, this is it. Thank you.